Team Photo Composite, you have several ways to export your job. The first one and most used is File Export to JPG. This will export the file into a JPG format in the folder you select using sRGB color management. Please notice that using fit masking, exporting will take some more time. Here you can see the JPG file ready to be printed or shared with your customers. Another way of exporting a Team Photo Composite is by using Export for Player. First, you have to select one of the players. This player position will then be used to alternatively swap this player with any of the other ones in the composite. And the composite will be saved, naming each file with the original file of the player. This way you may get easily a customized version of the composite for each player in the design. And the third option to save is exporting to PSD format, to Adobe Photoshop format. You need to have installed Adobe Photoshop and then select the Photoshop version you have installed. After clicking OK, the export will start, and if Photoshop is not open, it will open it and start to create all the layers in the document. Please notice that exporting all the layers will take some time. After finishing the exporting process, you will have to save the document in Photoshop using Photoshop's menu. Here you can see the document open in Photoshop with all the layers independently and ready for any filtering or modification.